Yo, I really didn't even want to make this video, but it is one of the #1 questions I get all the time. And if y'all keep on wanting these perm videos, I'm gonna give them to y'all. Literally, that's what y'all want. Questions. I'm gonna keep on making them for y'all. They get views. I mean, they help y'all. Obviously, I'm bringing y'all value. In my comment section, the #1 question I've been getting is, how much do perms cost? And I'm gonna answer that question for y'all in this video. But I want to do more in this video than just tell you how much perms cost. I'm going to show you how easy it is, and I'm going to show you how you need to build this skill growing up. I know a lot of kids are watching this, even some older people don't know how to do it. Guys, it is not that hard, just research stuff. This is a super important thing you need to learn in life. And for me, I think the best way to help y'all is show y'all by example. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get things in life. You got to go and get it. Normally in life, people do not just go out of the way and just help you. I mean, if people are millionaires, they're not gonna teach you, yo, this is how you're gonna be a millionaire. So you gotta go and get it yourself. You gotta go research. You gotta go do stuff. If I wasn't like this, if I didn't have this mindset, I wouldn't be where I am right now. Right now, I run 3 separate businesses. And social media is one. And currently, yesterday, I just got approved to start another business. So I am on my way to start 4 businesses. None of them would have been started without me going and actually doing them or doing research on them. And this is what I'm trying to help y'all. I'm trying to help y'all develop the skill of actually going out and getting stuff, right? So I'm just gonna show y'all. It's this simple, right? All you have to do, I'm gonna show my screen, all right? All right, so I'm gonna pull up the screen recording on my Mac and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do things, guys. You literally have the internet. You gotta use the internet, all right? So first things first, all you have to do, if you have somebody that cuts your hair, then that's easy. You know what I mean? You already got someone. You don't gotta look. But let's say you don't have someone. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna go on Google and you're gonna type in barber shops, let's say near me, all right? Then what you're gonna do is you're obviously gonna want the highest rating barbershops in San Antonio. So let's see, all right, Clippers Barbershop. You see they have 100 reviews, a 4.0. You see that number? I don't know if I should be showing the numbers. I think I'm gonna block them out. But their number is there. This is what you're gonna do. Guys, you gotta build up confidence, all right? And the only way you build up confidence is by doing. These people run a business. They need customers. So you gotta reach out. You guys need each other. But I was in exactly y'all's shoes, man. I used to be scared just to call, like, I don't know, like, I know how y'all feel. Y'all get anxiety, y'all don't be like, oh, I don't know what to say. So look, I'm gonna call them up, Clippers Barbershop, and I'm gonna tell them, you know, I wanna get a perm. How much do y'all charge? And yeah, I mean, it's gonna be that simple. Look, I was wondering if you guys do perms for guys, like male perms?
No, we don't do any chemicals.
Oh, okay, well, thank you. All right, guys, that is exactly how you accept protection. You just call and ask. Imagine it's easier than just going inside, yo, and then you wasted all your time, wasted all your gas. You literally have the internet. Next people. North Star Barbershop. All right, let's see. Oh, the number doesn't even work. All right. Next place, Refresh Cut and Shave Barbershop.
Hello?
Hello, I was calling to ask to see if you guys do male perms.
Male perm?
Yeah, to perm my hair.
You do male perm? No, we do not, brother.
Do you know anyone that can, or should I just like hit up a salon or something?
I would recommend a salon, yeah. Go to a salon, I'm sure they might be able to do that.
Alright, man, I appreciate it.
Trying to get those curlies?
Yeah, I'm trying to get curly hair, man.
Curlies for the ladies.
Yes, sir, curls get the girls.
Nah, man. I wish we did, but yeah, but you need to work, man. I'll do that. We can work that.
Alright, bet. Easy. Easy. Look, man, people are nice. Guys, you just gotta go out and do it, alright? So they recommend we go to a salon. So look, what I'm gonna do, salons near me. Damn, the thing about salons though is a lot of them be charging a lot. Cause like girl haircuts are like $90. So they're used to that expensive price. You know, we'll just try Great Clips, all right? A lot of people are against doing Great Clips, but let's just see how much they charge at Great Clips.
Thank you for calling Great Clips. This Chris, can I help you?
I was wondering if y'all could do perms, but on a guy. Like I want to get a perm.
No, we don't do perms anymore.
No more perms? Is there anywhere you could recommend that I can, or what can I do?
Well, today's, I know that, have you ever looked into the schools, like the beauty schools?
The beauty schools, okay.
They're cheaper. You won't pay, because if you go to a regular person, they charge you anything from $65 up, even if it's just the top of your head.
65, okay. Dang.
Yeah. And the schools charge anywhere from $15 to $20.
15 to 20. Damn, that's a big difference. Thank you so much. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Have a good day. Bye. Guys, call and ask. You gotta go and get it, bro. We'll call the schools, alright? Hair school. Hair school. I don't know which one to call, but alright, we'll call the first one that pops up.
It is a great day at Aveda Institute. To make a reservation,
Never mind. Let's try Ogle School. We'll try this one. Damn, 298 reviews. Bye.
Thank you for calling the Ogle School.
Alright, yo guys, I don't know about schools, but we're gonna Yo, is there anywhere that does perms? What the fuck? Alright, I'm gonna try another salon. We're gonna go back to salons, alright guys? You just gotta keep on doing this. This is part of doing the whole process, alright? Salon at the mall. Let's see if they do them.
Thank you for calling Regis at North Star. Armando speaking. May I help you?
I was wondering if you guys do perms.
Perms? Yes, we do.
On males? Can you do perms on males?
Yes, we do.
How much is it to get a perm for a male?
Perm starts at $75.
$75. Okay, I just wanted to get some insight and see how much they cost because I'm interested in getting one, but I think I need to grow my hair out a little more.
Yeah, whenever you're ready, just come and visit us or you can make an appointment.
Alright, thank you.
You're very welcome.
$75 for a salon at the mall. So, I'm giving y'all answers, guys. Here it is. Y'all could have got this answer for yourself, guys. I'm not a professional. I'm just here I'm trying to help y'all, man. Well, you know, I'm gonna keep on calling. We're gonna keep on finding some, alright? I'm gonna give you at least 5 different quotes.
thank you for calling K. Charles and
Great clips. Let's see. Beauty salon, bro. Literally.
Thank you for your Harmony Salon. How may I help you?
I was wondering if you guys do perms.
To make your hair curly?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh no, I'm so sorry. We don't offer that service.
Alright, thank you for your time.
You're very welcome.
Just gotta keep on the grind, alright? Another one. Let's see. M&S.
Evidence, shall I help you?
I was wondering if you guys do perms.
Perms?
Perms, yes, ma'am. Can you do perms on a guy?
I've never done one on a... Well, you know what? I did on my son.
And how did it come out? Was it like fire? I want curly hair.
You want curly hair?
Yes, I want curly hair.
Is your hair long enough?
How long does my hair need to be?
At least 2 inches.
At least 2 inches? Okay, I think I need to grow my hair out a little more then.
Yeah.
Oh, and one more question, like if you did do a perm for me, how much would it cost?
It would be about $45.
$45? Okay, thank you for your time.
Okay, bye.
The 2 most questions I get asked all the time can be answered if you literally just call, bro. Y'all, if you don't got a phone, use your mom's phone. If you don't got the internet, go to McDonald's. They got internet, bro. I'm telling you, people are friendly. These people run a business. They need to get customers. I'm gonna call one more just to see. All right, one more.
Hello?
Hello. I was wondering if you guys do perms.
I'm sorry?
Do you guys do perms?
Do I do what?
Perms.
No.
No? Okay. Well, okay, there is example of bad customer service. They don't know what the hell they're doing, all right? So guys, y'all saw, we got I think 3 or 4 different prices. People are so helpful. If they don't do perms, ask them, you know, where can I get them? Where can I get one done at? You saw, they said you can go to a cosmetology school, calling up salons helps. I mean, if you have someone that cuts your hair, see if they can do it. If they can't, then ask if they recommend someone. But personally, what y'all came here to hear is I paid $50 for my perm, all right? And I've gotten 3 different perms, so I spent $150 on perms. That's how much I paid, $150. I don't want to hear people saying, yo, this, that, you spent $150 in here. But yo guys, I feel like it's a little bit redundant now with these perm videos. I feel like I've answered every single question that I can. All right, if y'all got any more, I will make perm videos. I love helping y'all. There's a lot of younger kids watching my videos, trying to get their hair curly. If there's any more male videos y'all want to see, anything like I'm gonna get my ears pierced, let me know if I should do a video about that. I think one more important thing that will help dudes and a lot of guys, I don't really see any videos about it, So I think it will help y'all, and I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all don't do it yet, but it'll really help you out. And I'm just gonna show you what I do. I'm not saying it's the best thing, just what I do. But I'm gonna hold that video for y'all. I think it'll be good. Make sure y'all have notifications on, like the video, and comment. Make sure you comment what other videos you want to see, because with the perm videos, I think I'm done, guys. I really don't know any other perm videos I can make. I mean, maybe I could do rating my subscribers perms. I mean, I think I could do a few more, but I'm running out of perm videos, guys. So if y'all could watch my other videos, I've been doing vlogs lately. And I have some other ideas. I want to do more tutorials and help people and bring y'all value, because that's what I want to do, bro. But yeah, if you haven't yet, make sure you follow my social media on the screen. And if you watch the full video, just comment, call me, all right? We're gonna, we're troll over here. Just comment, call me. People, why you want to call me? Yeah, guys, mine was $50. You heard them, 45, 70. You can call around, guys. Y'all got a phone, y'all got the internet. If y'all want me to do more videos like this, helping y'all do stuff, guys, I love helping people. That's what I want to do. So yeah, if I brought you value, helped you out, inspired you maybe, drop a comment, subscribe, like the video, and make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. That's where I get help to make more videos, all right? But yo, I appreciate y'all watching. Yo, most importantly, stay juiced, all right? Bye.